So here you go. The moment you come to Edgbaston and Birmingham, you will get Indian fans from all over the world. This group, they've just driven in from London, originally from Chennai, currently settled in this country. So tell me a little bit about you all. You all said to me that you live close by. You've just driven in from London. You start.
Yeah. Actually, we live in High Wycombe, so really we want to support the team. And the boys they're all in the same school, so they all go to cricket, everyone together.
But good to see that you're backing the women's game.
Yeah. Yeah. If it's India, I will always go. I'll try to go to every cricket game.
And who's your favorite player?
I'd say Virat Kohli, but in the women's team, Smriti Mandhana.
And what about you?
Well, I only really came here because they're coming. Okay. I don't really support cricket that much, but
you're getting into it?
Yeah.
Good. And you?
Cheer for the captain, Kaur.
Ah, nice. And what about you, sir?
Nothing much great.
But will you watch all of the games or only this one?
Particularly this one. So we got the tickets for this one only.
So is it because of India, Pakistan, or
Pakistan and weekend?
So that's the one. This is the festive thing that's happening here. It's on the Sunday, as you can see. Friends, family coming together. I like the way he said, I will support every Indian match. And when it's the women's team, Trisha said this very well. It's overwhelming Smriti Mandhana fans. Thank you very much, folks, for joining me. Thank you.
Hello and welcome to Rev Sports. India versus Pakistan. It's heating up. Edgbaston is blue right now. There is no sign of green. Hi, welcome to Rev Sports. Just tell us your name and where are you from?
Yeah, I'm Vasif and I'm from India, and we have come all the way from India.
You've come all the way from India to watch this game. How many games are you guys watching?
Fortunately, we had work here, and fortunately, we had this plan. We actually planned our work in that way we could watch India versus Pakistan today.
So you're watching just this game?
Yeah, and probably on Wednesday in Leeds.
Oh, perfectly fine. So any particular player you're looking forward to, or just the entire team?
Obviously, I'm a big fan of Smriti. So hopefully she can smash some few sixes and smash those Pakistani bowlers.
Wow, Smriti Mandhana has got quite the fan following, which is pretty evident. You have got any other players who you have come to watch?
Yeah, Harmanpreet Kaur. I have grown watching her. So I would really like to see her hitting sixes today.
They want Smriti to hit sixes, Harman to hit sixes. If that many sixes are hit, then India is obviously boosting the net run rate, not only winning the game. Hope you guys enjoy, and hope we'll see you guys in Leeds too. Keep watching Rev Sports for more such content.
Hello and welcome. Clearly the flavor is strong today. There is a lot of blue around and quite a few Indian fans, including some really early young Indian fans have come from Coventry. So where are you from?
We are from Coventry.
And how many matches are you going to watch?
We are going to watch 2 matches, one in here at Edgbaston, then next one India versus Australia at Lords.
Fantastic. And good to see young girls getting in. Do you play? Does the family allow you to play? What is it like? You're carrying an Indian flag. How excited are you?
I'm very excited to watch the match.
And who's your favorite player?
I don't know. All of them are.
All of them?
Yeah, all of them.
And Smriti, remember?
Okay. And what about you? Have you ever watched a cricket match, or this is the first one?
First one, I think.
Nice. This is excellent that you're bringing, all of you have come together as a family. So do you watch cricket regularly?
Oh yes, we love it. We watched IPL recently, and now we are supporting T20 women's team, isn't it? Yeah, we are excited for that.
Yeah. We are from Kolhapur originally. Mm-hmm. So Smriti Mandhana is from Sangli, nearby.
Yeah.
So home girl playing near us.
And how many years have you been here?
20 years now, and we are excited to see T20 women's team up to here, so it's good.
Excellent. So there you go. As we said, there are a lot of Indian fans around. If I can ask Snehashish to just pan it that side as well, loads of Indian fans. This is what you want to see. The build-up has started. Lot of blue. One expects a tinge of green as well. But let's have a wave of the flag and we'll close it like that. Beautiful. So there you go. That's the cheer for India. Lovely. Thank you very much.
नमस्कार रेव स्पोर्ट्स पे आप सबका मैम आप लोग कहाँ से हैं?
मैं तो ब्रैडफोर्ड तो आई हैं, पापी मेरी बर्मिंघम में थे।
आप लोग यहाँ पे सिर्फ ये मैच देखने आए हैं? कौन से प्लेयर को देखने आए हैं?
ਇੰਡੀਆ ਵਾਲਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਦੇਖਣਾ ਹੈ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਾਰੇ ਪਸੰਦ ਆ ਸਾਰੇ
और यही मैच देख रहे हैं कि बाकी मैचेस भी
ਮੈਂ ਲੀਡਸ ਵੀ ਦੇਖਣਾ ਇੰਡੀਅਨ ਖੇਲਣਾ
India Netherlands.
Yeah.
So most people are watching India Pakistan India Netherlands.
ਇੰਡੀਆ ਦੇ ਤਾਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਮੈਚ ਹੀ ਦੇਖਣੇ
इंडिया में आप घूमोगे जहाँ जहाँ टीम जा रही है
ਜਦੋਂ ਲੰਡਨ ਵੀ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਮੈਚ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਟਿਕਟ ਲਏ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੱਲੇ ਪਰ ਲੈ ਲੈਣੇ
मैम फिर एक बार झंडा आप लहरा दो I have got with me an entire family in blue supporting India. Can we hear a loud cheer for India? We have got the youngest supporter here as well. What's your name?
Vico.
Vico is here to support India. Do you watch women's cricket? Or you're just here for the India match? Or do you know players? Oh, you know? Who's your favorite player in the team?
What was that? Bowler.
Smriti Mandhana. Yet another Smriti fan. That number keeps increasing. Hi, do you watch cricket? You like cricket?
Last time. We watched women's team last time.
Wow. You can see the age range there. Viku, what is Viku's age?
He's only 7 months.
Viku is only 7 months, probably the youngest fan out here. So what we do?
72 or
7 months to 72. That's a range no one can beat. So from the family, can we have India?
India. 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 India.